Hello and welcome. I'm Rebecca Phoenix, and I am so excited and so very honored that I get to lead you through another live group spell with Rose Ariadne's Simple Mystic Miracles. This live group spell is titled The Crossroads Cure, Healing with Hecate's Live Group Ritual. You guys, I am so incredibly humbled that I get to work with Hecate with you. She is such an incredible, beautiful, powerful goddess, and I am so excited and very humbled to get to go through this ritual with you. I have been a teacher with the Spellcasting Club for a while now. It's about 5.5 years, which blows my mind. And it's been such a beautiful honor to witness everyone's magical journey and even people that are a part of the Simple Mystic Miracles community that we see in these live group spells. It's just such a wonderful experience to be able to gather with different people and different teachers from all around the world. It's such an incredible global and community experience. So during this live group ritual, you are going to be following along the steps with me, as well as other students and teachers who will be there in the chat to help you. And all of the community is so supportive and so loving and helpful. So they'll be there to help as well, answer any questions, as well as, of course, I will be there. If you've been feeling heavy lately, or like your energy is off, like your body is battling and life keeps throwing glitches your way, this ritual is for you. The Crossroads Cure is a healing ritual devoted to Hecate. She is the torchbearer, keeper of the threshold, matron of herbalists and midwives, as well as the queen of witches, you guys, and a powerful ally for anyone on a healing journey. During this ritual, we'll work to clear interference and any kind of energetic heaviness that doesn't belong to you, so your system can finally exhale. When you perform the Crossroads Cure live group ritual with everyone from around the world, we're going to give each other so much extra love and boost of magic and support with all of our positive energy and love that we're going to give out into the circle. It's amazing when people gather in circle how incredible and powerful our magic can be. And it's all going to take place right here in front of me at my altar, like you see here. It's easy to attend with just a click of a link, which you'll receive once you register for this event. And the date and the time for this event are listed below this video here. So during this ritual, you're going to feel all of us really supporting your intention as well. So your healing work is not carried by you alone. You'll feel held, supported, and energetically backed as we amplify the restoration you're calling in and help it take root. So you can prepare as much or as little as you'd like with the Crossroads Cure PDF, which you'll also receive once you sign up for the event. There are simple steps. So if you're in a hurry or you just don't have a lot of magical tools, but you still really want to do this, you can follow those simple steps. Those will be included. Or there will be more long, lengthy, complex steps, which is what I will be taking you through during the live ritual. And don't worry if you've never cast a spell at all. That's totally fine. That's amazing. We love newbies, actually. So come on in, please. That's what I'm here for. I'm going to be giving you lots of extra tips and advice and little magical advice and wisdoms here and there. And you're going to be following with me, so you'll know exactly what to do. And if you're an adept witch and you know lots about witchcraft, you're absolutely, of course, welcome too, because guess what? You can help support the group and answer questions if you want. Of course, you can just show up and just be there and be in the energy. Everyone is welcome. There are two simple options to register for this wonderful event. And one is that you can simply purchase your ticket, or two, you can get a free 7-day trial to the Spellcasting Club, and included in your membership is a free ticket to the event. So you can get a free 7-day trial, and you can also get a free ticket to the event. That's like a win-win to me. Either way, both options are listed below this video. And if you're watching this on YouTube, it's listed below. The link is in the description listed below. And to find out more about the Spellcasting Club, you can scan this QR link here, and it will take you to the Spellcasting Club's website, so you can find out all about that. And finally, if you have to miss the event for any reason at all, maybe the date and time don't work for you or something comes up, that's absolutely okay. Sign up anyway, because you'll have access to a lifetime replica replay where you can enjoy the magic over and over again, and you can do it at your own convenience and time that works for you, or you can just do it over and over again if you really love the spell. So either way, sign up because it's worth it. So if you're interested at all in joining our live event, please register with one of the options below. I would love to see so many of you there. I absolutely love when we have a big group during the live group spell, because it's just so amazing to support each other's magic. So thank you for joining me in this space today and watching this video, and I hope to see you there for the Crossroads Cure Healing with Hecate live group ritual. Blessed be.